my name is Gemma. I'm gonna be doing a PC setup tour. I took a long time building this office. Like, I love it here, I love my space. Is it the most aesthetic? In my opinion, it looks great, but I feel like it's not to its full potential just yet. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys all the details on my desk setup and kind of how I acquire them and really how I design the space. I work and play in the same space and it is so tiny. I'm a tiny person, I'm like 4'11". Like if I'm gonna be cooped up all day, I wanna be in a space where like I actually feel comfortable, I feel alive, I feel energized, I feel productive, I feel inspired, I feel creative. And this is kind of what I've come up with. Now I'm gonna mostly show you guys my desk setup, but I'm gonna be real with you. It is a mess right now. Like things that you see on social media, that's staged. It stays like that for like, I don't know, 10 minutes. And then next thing you know, it's full of clutter and back to the grind. I feel like this area didn't really stay like this very long. Like I just finally got it to this point and now I have to tear it down. You might be wondering, like why do I need to tear it down? There's a reason why I'm tearing it down. I'm not just choosing to tear it down. I love it for how it is now, but like I said, there's always room for improvement. The reason why I am tearing it down is because I have landed a partnership with Sherwin-Williams. Sherwin-freaking-Williams, you guys. Having a really very proud moment of myself, which is a rare occurrence because I'm very hard on myself. I always tell myself like, you could do better, you could do better, you could do more. I have a partnership with Sherwin-Williams to basically decorate my gaming room using their paint, which I will save that for another video. So if you guys want to see like the continuation and the progression of this room, go hit that subscribe button and stay tuned because it's gonna happen very soon. If you guys are new here, gaming isn't really like my first social media channel account. Yeah, I basically started being a content creator as a fitness influencer. I hate that word. I'm gonna be honest, I just kind of like fell off fitness and really just fell more in love with gaming, especially during the quarantine when I didn't have a gym to go to. So I've been doing a lot of gaming content, trying to grow that account, grow my account on TikTok, and Sherwin-Williams basically noticed me and was like, hey, I think you'd be great for this project. And I cannot tell y'all how excited I am because I am also very into interior designing. I like designing in general. I like designing in games and Sims, anything that involves building and making a place look creative. When Sherwin-Williams reached out, I was very excited and I was just in awe because how did I go from being a fitness influencer to a gaming creator, doing a little bit of tech stuff on TikTok, and now doing this? I don't know, I think it's just a super exciting project. Today, in this video, we're gonna be focusing on my current office setup right now. So, all right, this is pretty much my office. Like when I walk in, this is the door. Like I said, it's very messy. I have all of the equipment I need for Sherwin-Williams. I have my light bar there. That plant that is kind of dying. I don't know how I managed to kill a snake plant, but it's kind of happening. Might replace that. And then I have this big mirror. This is kind of like where I do all of my fashion, Instagram reels. Also, it's just massive. This thing is from IKEA. If you guys know, you know. And then, boom, we've got my PC setup. Don't look at the wires, okay? There you go, that's a lot better. And then I actually had drawers here, which looked really janky. I had it before I even moved to LA and it was just ugly. Got rid of it. Now I have this empty space I need to manage. I need to manage this. And an ugly AC that can probably be covered. And then I have this gallery wall of little pictures. I got most of them from Amazon. These right here, those are my actual art. I made those. And then we have my PC right here. A lot of people ask about this. This is from Amazon. You can literally look up LED moon lamp. This is a ring light from Elgato, and I don't have the camera on right now because I'm using it to film other content. And I got this is a Dell monitor. I can't tell you which model it is, but I will most likely link everything in my Amazon storefront so you guys have access to everything that I have. And this is my main monitor, which is an LG monitor. Again, I'm gonna link it for you guys for the specific model. Now let's go over the monitor stand. This one was from Amazon. This is supposed to be a 3-item monitor stand, but because my desk is small, I can only have room for 2, which looks a little bit asymmetrical, but it works. And you can kind of like tilt it however you want. Like you can tilt it back, but like I said, my desk is small, so I'm very limited with the movement. I got my crystals from local shops, like crystal gem shops. I love crystals. I try not to put it by my window because if you put certain crystals by the window, it will actually lose its color. Like amethyst, if you put it by the sun, it will actually lose the purple hue to it. So if you guys have gems and crystals, do be mindful to keep it away from the window. And then I have my switch here, and had to kind of like sneak it in there. I think it's a good way to kind of like hide it and it doesn't look as cluttery. Then I can just pick it up like that. And then of course I have my Stream Deck. This is from Elgato. Now, whether you're a streamer or not, I think Stream Decks are great because you can use it when you're like opening programs on your PC and you just want it in a single button. You can use it to pause music. Like if you don't have extra buttons on your keyboard to control music, the Stream Deck is good for you. And then I have these cute candles that I also got from Amazon. I never light them because it's just too cute to be lit and melted. And I have this headphone stand I also got from Amazon. It does light up. Let me turn it on. It doesn't help that it's daytime, so you can't really see, but back here you can see the light. Now, the reason why I have it facing back is because at night it gives more of an ambiance vibe to it, and it's just a softer light. And I want to say shout out to Logitech for sending me these. I love them. They're very comfortable. A lot of people didn't really like them because of the price point. However, as someone who has a small head, I personally think these are amazing because it looks proportional to my head. Like it doesn't look bulky. Plus it lights up when I turn it on. And also it's like white, and the overall design and look to it is just so sleek and super clean. And then I got this dried, I don't know what these are called. They're like dried cotton, I think. I think it's a nice little touch to the desk. So I just put it here, and I think overall it just flows so well with the gallery art wall right there. I have the Shure mic right here. This mic stand arm, is that what it's called? It's from Elgato, and I really love this thing because it has its own cable management situation here. So you basically just kind of like hide your wires there. It'll feed through here. There's another tube, and then it just latches on to your desk like so, and then the rest of the cable you can manage, but you can tell I did it. And then moving on to the actual desk, I have the Cloud Wrist Rest. That's a mouthful. I have the Cloud Wrist Rest from Logitech, as well as the keyboard. This is the Logitech G17 keyboard. Give you a little ASMR. I do like how compact it is. And then of course I have the G705 mouse, which is perfect for my tiny hands. Look at it. Also, I love how it just glows. Now, the Aurora collection had some backlash to it because of the price point, which I truly understand. When I bought it, I spent over $300, but when I worked with Logitech, they sent me more. So with that said, I have extra stuff right here, but I have extra products from Logitech, which, by the way, I'm probably gonna do a giveaway on these because I'm not gonna like do anything with them. So I'm most likely gonna do a giveaway on my Twitch channel, TikTok, I don't know, or like Instagram. So if you guys want to keep an eye out for the giveaway, follow me on my socials. So here we have my crazy jungle of cables. And I know, okay, I get it. I have had hundreds of people tell me, Jem, why don't you just manage them, okay? Like, it's not that hard. Grab some Velcros. right? Grab a cable rack, grab something to keep it up there and call it a managed desk. But this is one thing people don't understand. When you have a standing desk, right, it goes up and down. So you gotta give your cables some slack so it can actually rise up and down. I have to move all the time. Like, I can't stay still, so I'm constantly moving up my desk up and down. This is small, this is 48 inches. Therefore, I don't have a space for my PC to go up here and put all the wires there. And that is why, friends, that is why I can't have a managed cables in this setup, because my PC can only have enough space and breathability when it's on the floor. With that said, I did buy a new desk, 60 inches desk, and that is going to be a part of my makeover. So if you guys want to see kind of like the whole transformation of my room and how I manage the cables, which actually I do have an idea of how I'm gonna manage it, and I think it's gonna look amazing. I have watched so many cable management videos on YouTube, and a lot of them uses a Mac, which requires little to no wires at all. So that doesn't count. If you're a PC gamer, PC user, there's a lot of cables to be managed. My standing desk is from FlexiSpot. I personally think it's the most affordable standing desk out there. There are like really great, amazing ones, but they're like, I don't know, $1,500 at least, and I don't really want to spend that much on a standing desk in a rental space. I feel like when I own a home, that's when I want to invest on a more expensive desk. This is my PC. I'm gonna list down the specs, and I will also list down in the description below so you guys know where to find everything from, like all the stuff that I got for it. Now this space right here is probably my coziest space. I use these woods as like my accent wall and a simple couch that I got from Wayfair. And then to the left side, I have my yucca plant. This does well in low lighting situations. That's why I have it here. My light looks like it's very well lit, but honestly, it's been hard to keep plants in here. And this is the only plant that's been surviving the best in this condition. And I pretty much just threw in this blanket to make it more cozy or when I'm cold. And then I also have this cute little plushie. I don't know the boutique I got it from. When I was in Carlsbad, I just went to this random boutique and it was the only one left. So I secured it and I figured like it belongs in this space. And then I have this candle warmer, which pretty much warms a candle, and I love this thing because I don't have to worry about, you know, looking back and making sure the place isn't burnt. You can always control the intensity of the scent with the control back here. So it can be brighter, or if you don't really want it on, you can put it at its lowest setting. So I'm gonna just turn that off. Also great for ambient lighting. And then I've got this area to the right of my PC, which is currently filled with stuff right now. I'm gonna decorate it a lot better on my next video, but this is pretty much my sideboard for extra storage. And then I have this cart right here, which I know looks crazy, but it's gonna look a lot better when I have everything transformed. I don't like using gaming chairs, you know, like the ones that's like really, it looks like a race car seat. I used to have one of those and I personally did not like them. The cushion weren't really cushiony, and ergonomically, it's not really good for your back. I had a lot of back problems with it, so I got this chair. This was a hand-me-down chair from Mitch, and no, it doesn't look great. It's all black. It does not match my aesthetic, and this is like wonky. I know, this is like super wonky and uneven. Like this is chipping off. Not at all the most aesthetic thing ever, but it's just a chair. Throw a white blanket on it, call it cozy and cute. And that's normally what I've been doing. And it's funny because I was on stream and someone was like, oh my God, your chair looks so cute. Where'd you get it from? I'm like, I don't know. It's from my boyfriend who passed it down to me from his old office. And I just put a white blanket on it and they said it was really cute with a white cozy blanket on it. So no, I don't think I'll be buying a chair soon, even though this is like not pretty much leanable and usable. It works, it saves my back, prevents me from like bad posture. It helps me sit on a chair and do my work properly. So I don't think I'll be upgrading that anytime soon. I definitely want to get a Herman Miller chair. I think that's gonna be the next upgrade if I ever decide to. But one upgrade at a time. Like, I'm about to paint this entire wall and set up a whole desk, new situation, new design, and managing the cable. So one thing at a time, okay? So if you guys want to see my makeover, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because that's probably gonna be my next video. But yeah, that is it for my little PC desk tour. I know it's not much, my room is very small, but I'm working on things one at a time to make it a little bit more homey, a little bit more alive, something that's gonna inspire me. I just wanna be in a space where I know I'm gonna grow and be creative. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you, okay? I hope to see you on the next one. I got good stuff coming, and hopefully some inspo for y'all. I hope to catch you on the next one. I will catch you on the next one. Okay, bye. Thank you.